Now using Blynk app we can control this LED. This is ESP32. Switch is off, then LED also off. On means LED is on.
Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to control this LED by using ESP32 DevKit. This is the ESP32 DevKit inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, in which I am connecting this using my smartphone with Blynk app. So this is the data cable which I will connect to the smartphone using OTG cable. In ESP32 I am using GPIO pin 4 which controlling through the Blynk app. Here there are D1, D2 is there. Here our pin is goes to here. Now I need to confirm the polarity of the LED, in which polarity the longest one is goes to positive and shortest one is considered as negative. This is positive and this is negative. Positive is connecting to the GPIO pin 4 and this pin goes to ground. Blynk setup we need to do for blinking the LED. So here we go to the Google tab. Here we need to type Blynk cloud. Already I typed. So this first link we should have to open. To here login or sign up with using your email ID and password. So I already logged in. Go to new template here, and then here we need to create the templates. Here I am mentioning the name is LED2 and I am using ESP32, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, satellite and GSM. LoRaWAN is there. I am using Wi-Fi. Done. Now template is created. Then go to devices. Here select the device ESP32. Device is created. Then you need to copy this clipboard. Take switch, create data stream, virtual pin. I am using pin V1. Here we can mention switch to. Here this is Arduino Driode mobile smartphone program. Also here define the LED pin, which pin you are using. Is you have to enter your hotspot mobile or this is SSID. My mobile is Redmi Note 11 Pro. This is a password I am using, assigning to the LED. This code I am dumping to the ESP32. Uploading is started. Uploading is done. Next we will see the how LED will blink. This is how we can control using Blynk app LED with ESP32 smartphone programming. Thanks for watching our videos.